Alright y'all, so I decided to make some videos on a couple of cars. I know there's some enthusiasts on a few of them. One is the box Scion XP 2006. Already done some modifications on that. And also behind me, the 2017 Ford F-150. Now, there's a couple of things that I want to do to both of these cars. I know this one you can do a ton. The one in the back, the Ford, there, I'm not sure what exactly I want to do on it, but I do have one product that I found on the internet. I saw a couple other guys who had the same product, so we're going to open it up right now. There you have it, folks. Lost fit formats, custom for the 2017 Ford F-150. They fit really good. I'll do another review probably in the next 6 months. But as far as I have them in there now, it looked pretty good.